I don't want to comment on that because nandun na po yan sa FIVB and assignment po yan ng Philippine Olympic Committee. Basta sa amin lang po, kami sa Philippine Sports Commission, gusto lang namin na talagang ang focus is on the national team program. You know, pag ganitong mga hosting, gumagastos po ang pamahalaan, gumagastos ang probinsya, maraming gumagastos na sponsors. So ayaw namin ng hidwaan. Lalo na kung ang hidwaan ay tungkol lang sa mga personalidad. Di ba? Ang sa atin po, programa. We are hosting the World Championships in 2029. Before you know it, it's 2029. Kailangan i-focus natin yung suporta natin sa development ng mga atleta. So ako naman, naniniwala na yung FIVB, together with the Asian Volleyball Federation, ay masosolve kagad yung issue na yan on the Philippine Federation. And sana sa lalong madaling panahon. But despite that, nakita nyo naman, nandito pa rin tayo, tinuloy natin to, the show must go on, because this is not about the federation. This is about your national team. This is all about the national athlete. This is all about the volleyball players. So we are here. Hindi ho kami nawawala ng focus dyan nila, Mayor.